Oh, that's...
I mean, you have the hips for it. I mean,
I know, doesn't it?
Work that trick.
Can you do this one? Sure.
But, see what's wrong with Jason, yeah.
All terrible. I'm gonna be like
Oh my
scraping
God.
this bow. It's terrible.
Don't paint him.
Why not?
He looks like an Indian already. I mean, look at
I know.
Give him a little under thing.
No.
Yeah, like that. That's good. A little more to the right.
I know.
Don't. Make him a cat.
Yes!
Okay, boy, okay. Look at her. She's being adorable. You have to sing this.
Sorry.
Please.
Please!
Oh. Ryan's 9.
When you sleep, we're going to come in your house.
I know where he lives.
Just come with her.
Yeah, we'll just come and thank you.
I like to sleep.
We're going to actually put a TV on your stomach. Because you have a TV in your stomach because it makes a noise whenever you hit it.
God, like,
What the heck? Is your stomach made of steel or something? Because
no.
what?
Not that impressive.
I mean, did you just harden up your stomach on purpose?
Yeah. Oh, wouldn't I? I'd be like, ugh.
Oh, yeah, I know I See, if you really want to hit a guy, you have to wait until he's not paying attention.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Catch
he's
him off
gonna
guard.
But if he's not paying
No, it
attention.
was really funny because like this dude was like just randomly came up to Katie and I and was like, hey, I want you to do a demonstration for you. Like,
Oh, you know what? If
What?
you actually
Fruit
need to hurt one, hit him right between the ribs. That's the solar plexus, and that'll knock the air out. Like if you need to hit it somewhere.
no,
Don't
like,
do that in general.
But it's like, the one that's like, to the wall, and I'm like, okay, like here, here's better demonstration. And he goes over to the guy, his name is Nick. He goes over and he's like, hey Nick, can I do a demonstration on you? He's like, yeah, sure. He's like, okay, we do this.